Hey! In front of me is VIVO Y01 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Sound. Then click on Vibrate Vocals. Over here you need to select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with Never Vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you need to scroll down and click on the switcher next to Notification Vibration to enable or disable this option. Then click on Prevent Ringing and over here you can select Vibrate by clicking on it. Lastly, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, Touch Vibrations, and Vibrate when the other parent hands up or answers to enable or disable vibration for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!